अपने लिए तो सभी जीते इस जहां में, है जिंदगी का मकसद औरों के काम आना.
Hi, this is Hafsa.
And this is Waris Hussain.
We're both co-founders of Arklore. Arklore was founded in January 2019. We graduated in 2018 and did not pursue conventional architecture and immediately launched Arklore, which is an eco-friendly startup. We deal with sustainable construction and our focus material is bamboo. The path we have taken is one that is less walked on. There are no firms, architecture firms here in Pakistan, commercial firms that deal with bamboo or that make bamboo architecture, because bamboo architecture is now a global thing. Pakistan being, ranked amongst countries that are extremely vulnerable to climate change, we aren't utilizing this material as well as we should be. I think the saddest part is that bamboo grows in Pakistan. It is a vernacular material and yet we are unable to make use of it. Went and experienced various climates across Pakistan. We hail from Karachi basically. We've seen these
Major shift in the temperature of Karachi for the past several years. You have seen that springs are gone from Karachi. So the temperature has shifted a lot because you are building something that correlates with the nature, that exists with the nature, and you are not dominating nature. When I was first introduced to bamboo in 2015 in our undergraduate program, I saw something real inspiring in bamboo, that you can build exactly like nature. You can build a tree out of bamboo and you don't have to do a lot of innovation in it. Just the simple bamboo, it is a natural material. You visit our structure, you will see every space have been thought a lot. You see the staircase going up and it will have a little curve in it.
The pod just above me is inspired from a weaver bird's nest and it's built around a tree. This client was one of the good ones and they basically gave us this creative liberty. The brief was very simple, our daughter needs a hideout space. We have this garden and immediately our mind went, okay, do you have any trees? And we saw this, there was this dead tree and then this jamun tree over here. And we were given the choice that, okay, it's up to you, which tree do you want to utilize? And we went with this tree. And when you think of a tree, immediately your mind goes to, okay, hideout space, tree, and then you're like, okay, we're going to build a nest. So this is how the structure came about. And then we obviously, I think no kit structure is complete without a slide, right? This central platform just right behind me. Basically, there's bamboo planted all around it as well. We tend to use a lot of curves, organic forms in our design. Bamboo is popularly known as the poor man's timber. But I think the hardest part for us has been convincing people that just because it's called poor man's timber does not absolutely mean that you cannot build great things from it. Right now, I'm sitting inside this residence and they've, built a tree house out of bamboo. They've built this amazing Zen sitting space out of bamboo. In the context of Karachi, trees to bache nahi hain, to tree houses kahan se banenge, right? Once they know that building a tree house is a possibility here, they immediately, they get excited about it. Okay, I have a tree, and then they give you an opportunity to experience the tree up close. Especially these huge trees like the ficus tree just behind me is huge. Once you climb on top of that tree house and you get to experience its foliage and you see the birds chirping such, so near to your ears, it's an experience. For this particular tree house as well, we had complete creative liberty and they just told us that, we want to build this for the children. But once it, started to be built, the adults of the family also want to access this tree house. So initially we had thought of like a basic ladder type situation where the kids could access it. But then once we knew that, okay, now this is a place where the entire family wants to come. So then we had to sort of engineer a staircase that could also fit in this confined space. That shouldn't look bigger than the tree house itself. We came up with this circular staircase. You see how it perfectly sort of complements the tree because it just, ascends parallel to its bark and doesn't take up a lot of space. It has a very compact feeling to it, yet also looks like a sculpture.
We do not compete with concrete, glass or steel, but we rather offer new path forward. With every structure we are building, more people are choosing to walk it. We are trying to build structures that speak both the language of an architect and also the language of nature. By language of architect, I mean the structure should be more habitable, they should be functional. So जब आप speak language of an architect की बात करते हैं तो you strict थोड़ा सा आप डिफाइन करते हैं, थोड़ा सा आप अपने जो अप्रोच है उसको थोड़ा सा फंक्शनली भी बनाते हैं उसको बेहतर. Like this structure you see and the furniture, I'm sitting on a bamboo sofa. They are lightweight, यहाँ आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं बैम्बू को। इवन दो ये बैम्बू का जो सोफा है दिस इज ऑफ स्ट्रेट ज्योमेट्री, लेकिन स्टिल इट्स अ लाइट स्ट्रक्चर। देखने में ये लग रहा है कि शायद बहुत हैवी स्ट्रक्चर बिकॉज ऑफ द थिकनेस ऑफ बैम्बू, लेकिन इट्स अ लाइट वेट स्ट्रक्चर। वन पर्सन कैन इजीली पिक दिस स्ट्रक्चर एंड मूव इट। यू ऑल्सो सी अ डोर बिहाइंड मी, अ पीकॉक door. We make the door in a form of an egg. You see a revolving door behind me. It's a revolving door and it's a form a shape of egg. हर किसी की फील्ड के अंदर उसकी एक सोशल एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है टूवर्ड्स द पीपल, टूवर्ड्स द नेचर, टूवर्ड्स मदर अर्थ, कि आपके जो भी पाथ चूज करते हैं इट शुड हैव सम पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑन इट।